Hey, how's it going? I got my 44mm stainless steel Apple Watch with a Milanese loop. Okay, just joking. But yeah, it is a Series 5 44mm stainless steel Apple Watch with the Milanese loop. Now, normally I like the leather loop, but they didn't have any in stock when I went to order it. So luckily I still got it on launch day. So I picked up my iPhone 11 Pro in green. It's pretty dope. And yeah, UPS just dropped off my watch here. My first Apple Watch was the very first, you know, Gen 1 or Series 1 Apple Watch, and I've never bought another Apple Watch since then until now. So I went from one and skipped all the way over the other ones till the Series 5. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be big improvements all the way around. I do like the idea that this finally has an always-on display, so that's pretty cool, and a couple of other changes they made. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in, turn it around, we'll unbox it and check it out together. Laters. Oh yeah, before I forget, give me a like and a subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, super excited. Oh, I just pulled this tab. Haven't had a new watch in a long time, like I said, since the first gen Series 1. And here it's all white. It says Apple Watch. I don't know if you could see, kind of hard to see on the camera. There, you see right there. Okay, so no box cutter needed. Looks like I just go ahead and pull right here on the tab to open this up. Get that out of there. Apple Watch, not to give away my information on the back, but you can see right there. As you can see right there, this is a 44mm stainless steel with Milanese loop, Series 5. This packaging is so different than how it was with the original. Okay, that's cool. The way they do that on the inside, right? That's one thing you gotta admit and you gotta give Apple. Their packaging is always second to none. Like, it's dope. Okay, so it looks like here we have the Milanese loop. It's Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, nothing else in there. And then I guess here's some instructions on how to put it on if you can't figure it out. And here is the Milanese loop. Right, here's a better look at it. Now, from everything that I've been reading, I believe they said they have strengthened the magnet on the Milanese loop. I don't know if that was a big issue before. I never had it before, but that's what I remember reading. So yeah, I guess if you got an $800 watch on your wrist, that'll make you feel better knowing the magnet is strong. All right, now let's get to the watch itself. You know, that's kind of cool how they do that right there. I'm really interested to see if 2mm makes a big difference going from the 42mm to a 44mm. Okay, designed by Apple in California. There's the charging magnet, the power brick, that's the same. The magnet, let's see. Yep, that looks to be the same one there. And yeah, let's get to this. So this comes like in this little felt sleeve, if you will. Let me come in closer so you can see. All right, so I have this little felt sleeve right here. A little soft. It says 42mm on the back right there. I don't know if you could see that. And then, yeah, let's get it out of here. Let's try and push up on it. And here it is in the stainless steel casing. That's different. It seems to be see how it's like really like stainless steel right there, and then it's like darker down here. I remember on the old watch it was all stainless steel all over. It wasn't darker on the bottom. I don't know, I wonder if that helps it improve its readings or whatever with the sensor on the back, or I don't know, but it's cool. And then here's a little red ring around it right there, so you could tell that it's the cellular GPS model. I believe they change that every year, that way others will know you have the most current one. You know, before it was a red dot, and then now it's this, and then they change it from time to time every year, so people know that, okay, hey, I can tell that's the newest one. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is turn this on. I'm gonna connect it to my iPhone 11 Pro right there, in the midnight green. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it, try it out for a little bit, and come right back and let you know. And I'll let you see the always on display. We'll see how that looks. All right. Okay, let's just check out some watch faces really quick that are new. Meridian, California, modular compact, solar dial, gradient, numerals. Yeah, they got activity ones, and you know, all your watch faces here, and you could change California to that, to that, to that. All these other ones here, but yeah, so far so good. I like it. I can say the battery lasts a lot longer. I've been trying it out for a few days here, and I'm loving the always on. So I'll come around and you'll see it turn down, but you see how it's still on? Dope. And then I'll go ahead and turn my wrist that way, and then you see it's liddy. Not bad, right? Kind of there, and then boom. Okay, so I took this off the charger at 6 a.m. and it is now noon, and as you can see, I'm at 77%. So that's not bad. Half the day and it's still rocking. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like the way this feels. I'm not mad. Like, the Milanese is cool. I'm more of a leather dude, but you know, it's all right. I'll take it. It's good. You know, can't complain. So yeah, it was just a quick unboxing showing you the watch. If you have any questions or something, let me know. But I hope you liked it. Let me give you a better angle. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a rundown of all the features and stuff like that. This is just a quick unboxing and first impressions. I do like it. I do like the bigger display. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't think it'd make that much of a difference, 2 millimeters, but it does. Believe me, it does. And the always on display, I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is it. Oh, and Apple Pay seems to be a lot snappier, like faster. I've been using Apple Pay like nobody's business. Just boom, Apple Pay here, Apple Pay there, boom, boom, boom. And yeah, it's not bad. I like it. Now I look for Apple Pay when I go in places because I just hit my watch and it's good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. Here's a watch unboxing. Laters.